Hello and welcome to the research overview video for tire service companies in the Columbia area. We are Stein Design Shop, and how we target our clients is to first establish an area with a thriving marketing need, and then we engage in research within that special locale and business category. We then work with only one company in each geographic area because we want to invest our time in only one client in the given area because we want them to dominate all of their competition. We have no interest in taking on multiple clients in the same area to compete with each other. CrossMidwest.com is a company we have engaged in research with and have decided to share this research because they were not able to engage in our elite online marketing services at this point in time. Although some of this research is specific to this particular company, some components still apply to your company because it is general industry statistics, and the research that only applies to CrossMidwest.com should be viewed as an example of what we can do for you. Within our research in the Columbia area, we have found the CPC of keywords to be very high, and therefore paid advertising to be undesirable due to the high costs. The keyword search traffic has enough to produce a reliable ROI on your marketing investment, and your competition does not appear to be something we are too concerned with. We feel we can dominate the online presence for the company we market for in this niche. The SEO competition on the keywords is not too high, and our methodology is far advanced compared to most other online marketing companies. The Keyword Research module will allow you to search for keywords you are interested in, and also allow you to highlight and sort keywords accordingly to groups you want to look at and save. The competition analysis is a very powerful module, and we have researched and stored more than 10,000 of your competitors' ranking web pages to allow you to instantly check your rankings versus your competition's. The site audit reports and the online presence report we can run for your company if you request a consultation meeting with us free of charge. The Bang Site Audit Report and the Site Grader Report are designed to give you a bird's eye view on the current marketing state of your website and to identify factors which need to be improved or are currently harming your online presence in the search engines. The Online Presence Report will show you a rating score and overview on how your visibility is going within the online web directories.